Hey, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna present to you all about my portfolio. And in here, I'm gonna use my LinkedIn account and also my CV that I already create. Okay, first I'm gonna tell you about my summary of my background. Okay, my name is Abdul Rasya Alas Bilumwa. I'm 11 KG class in Aiden boarding school. And now I'm become the junior network engineer that I already achieve some certificate like MTCNA, MTCRN, SCNA. Okay, and then my hobby is playing basketball, and this hobby I got since I school at junior high school Aiden boarding school. And in junior high school, I learned so many things, and this is the first time I learned about IT. And so because of that, I have interest to IT since junior high school, and I decided to continue my school at Edinburgh School as well, but in a vocational high school. And in the vocational high school, I choose network engineer as my major because when junior high school, I already searched for what major that I must choose because in IDEN there are three major and TKG, RPL, and DKV. So I researched what major that is comfort for me. And in the eighth grade, I relearned about design using Figma and also Canva. And I decided that I'm not comfort in that major because they use so much imagination. And I in ninth grade, I learned about RPL or software engineering using Android Studio and create one app uh, about Islam. And from that, I decided that I'm not comfort in RPL major because it's too hard for me. So I decided become a network engineer because I'm comfort in that, and I have interest also in cybersecurity, and cybersecurity is in the network engineer. Okay, that's my summary about me. The next is experience. Okay, um, the first experience is I ever become project mentor or teacher in SMK Informatika Ciamis, and this is my first teaching experience in vocational high school. I teach with my friend Emily Adit, Zofran, and also Damar. And I decided to teach microtip because I'm still 10th grade when I teach. And I teach for 2 days. So because I teach for 2 days, I decide become two team. The first team is explain about the material or the theory, and that we'll do in the first day, and in the second day we will uh, directly practice about the material that we already explained in the first day. And that's the job of the second team. And the first team is me and Dama that explain the material or the theory in the first day. And the second team is Adit and Zafran that explain about the practical directly the practice of the material of microtic, and we use the real device that is microtic router board that we borrow in IDEN. Okay, the next is this my second teach experience in vocational high school that do in SMKN 1 Bekasi. This is my second experience teaching experience with my friend namely Pasha, Najib, and Damar. And because my friend Najib and Damar, sorry, Moko, Najib and Moko, because Najib and Moko is in a different major, so we teach in a different time. I am Pasha teach in TKG class, and Moko and Najib teach in the DKV class. And in that school, I teach about Cisco because I teach an 11th grade students. And I teach from the for fundamental using only theory and slide. And after that, I directly go to practice the configuration with Cisco in Cisco Packet Tracer in the first day and also in the second day. Okay. Uh, and actually, not only that, the experience not only that because the teaching event is from IDN. So because I already joined IDN since junior high school, I already teach many times since junior high school. Like in Bekasi, I forgot about the name of the school. And if I'm not wrong, I already teach 3 times when I still junior high school. And not only teaching experience, I also joined some competition in Bali, namely ELCO and also PNBIT with my friend. And the category of the competition is about networking. And I already joined about 2 times of the competition. Same in the Bali. The first competition is about Mikrotik, and because it's held in when I'm still 10th grade, so it's a nice opportunity for us to check my skill in Mikrotik. But we failed in the competition, so we decided to join again competition in the next year in 2025. That is Elco that with Cisco category. And because the event is due when we in the second semester, which is we already run about Cisco. So it's nice opportunity also like the previous competition. We go to the competition to check our skills. And I success to go to the final, but sadly I lost in the final. Okay. Yeah. And the next is certificate. So because in IDN there are some certificate that we must get it. The first is Microtic Certified Network Associate, or we can say MTCNA. MTCNA. That this is my first certificate that I got since I learned in IDN, and because is the first certificate that we must get, so MTCNA become my first certificate. And the second is MTCRA, or Microtic Certified Routing Engineer. This is like the next level of the MTCNA. If MTCN is the basic, MTCRA is the intermediate level, but it focus on routing. And the third certificate or the last certificate is CCNA, or Cisco Certified Network Associate. I got this certificate in the second semester of 10th grade. That in that time I learned about Cisco, so I must get the Cisco certificate also. And CCNA is the basic certification of Cisco, but it's still hard to get because it costs around 5 million, and there is no guarantee that we can get the certificate. And the next is the skills that I have. The first is routing. Routing I already learned since 10th grade when I learned about Mikrotik. And the next is switching. I got these skills when I learned Cisco in the second semester. And also English communication, critical thinking, time management, and problem solving. I learned at IDEN also when I learn about Mikrotik and also Cisco. Okay, next, this is my LinkedIn profile. This is my new account because the last account is gone. Okay, I already upload some posts in my account that is about my certificate. Uh, this is the certificate of MTCNA, and beside the post there is MTCRF certificate post, and the last there is CCNA certificate that I already post. And I'm not yet to post the teaching experience in my LinkedIn. Maybe later I will post. Then this is the experience, like same like in my CV. Become the MTCNA trainer and SMK Informatika Ciamis, and also the CCNA trainer at SMK 1 Bekasi. And this is my education. I learned the networking knowledge not only in Edinburgh School, but as I also learned from Cisco Networking Academy. This is like a website or company that uh, uh, mm, serve a course, free course about Cisco. Start from the basic until the intermediate level. And that is the license and certification that are the explained. That is MTCNA, MTCRA, E, and CCNA. And then, okay, maybe that's all about my summary or my portfolio presentation and my plan when I graduate from Aiden boarding school. My plan is to go university, but university abroad, not in Indonesian, because last time Pak Deddy Gunawan as the owner of Aiden boarding school says that if you want to go to the university, go abroad, not in Indonesian. So because the advice from Pada Di Gunawan, I decided to go to university outside Indonesia or abroad. Okay, maybe that's all for my presentation. If there are many mistakes from me, I do apologize. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.